Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Guide, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to use focus on iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, in order to use focus feature on iPhone, you'll have to update your iOS to iOS 15 or above. You can directly use focus mode on iPhone. Go to your control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Then you will see this option focus, tap on it. Then you'll get these various options. First, it is do not disturb mode, then personal, work, gym and sleep. According to your need, you can turn on different focus mode. And if you want to create a custom focus mode, tap on this plus icon, then tap on custom. Now on this page, you can give a name to your focus mode and choose different kind of emojis and colors. Just like this. Once you customize your focus mode, tap on the next button, then tap on customize focus. Now, on this page, you can customize your various functions. For example, under silence notification section, you can choose people to whom you allow notification from or silence notifications from. Once you select either option, tap on the next button. Now you can select whom to allow calls. Select anyone, then tap on done. After that, you can choose apps, from which apps to allow notifications from or to silence notifications from. Once you choose one of these options, tap on the done button. Now on the next section, you can customize your screens. If you want to customize your lock screen, tap on the first option, then you can choose your lock screen. And if you want to customize your home screen, tap on the second option, and now you can customize your home screen. You can also set a schedule. If you want a smart activation, then tap on this option, then toggle this button on. If you want to delete this schedule, then tap on this button. Then tap on delete schedule, and this will delete the schedule. If you want to add a new schedule, tap on this button. Then on this page, you can specify your time, location and app. Once you do that, you can also use focus filters. To add this feature, tap on this button. Then you can customize your app filters. Then at last, you'll get the option to delete focus. If you don't want this focus mode, then tap on this button and again tap on delete focus. Then it will delete the focus mode. So this is how you use it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time I upload new videos, and I'll catch you on the next one.